Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button, as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So having spent the past month drawing some of Dr. Seuss's most beloved characters, I want to now switch gears and get back to drawing some character turnarounds. For those of you who don't know what that is, a turnaround is a series of drawings of a character from different angles. In a sense, you create a model sheet of that character. We start with a front view, then move into other various angles after extending some guidelines across the page to help to position the character's features. Why should we draw turnarounds? Well, for starters, it gives us something to draw, right? I mean, how many times have you struggled to find something to draw when you have that itch? Well, pick a character or make one up and draw a turnaround. It's a fantastic way to get to know that character. It's also a little challenging, which to me is what drawing is all about, challenging yourself. Anyway, today we're going to draw a turnaround of one of my all-time faves and a legend of the Hanna Barbera studios, Fred Flintstone. I want to point out to you that you almost never see Fred in the first pose we're going to draw, the straight-on forward-facing pose. Generally speaking, Fred is almost always posed in some sort of three-quarters angle. Even when he's looking straight at us, his mouth is still sideways or three-quarters. Just one of those strange design quirks from Hanna Barbera. So anyways, yabba dabba doo, let's draw. We're going to draw our turnaround of Fred Flintstone step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. Fred, in all four angles, is just about 2.5 heads tall. In other words, however tall his giant noggin is, his entire body is about 2.5 of those tall. One other quirk about Fred, other than the last angle, the one from behind, his hair, like his mouth, doesn't really change. Whether it's straight on or some other angle, it's always going to have the same shape. Anyways, just something to look for. All right, so what do you say we draw the roadmap for our turnaround of Fred Flintstone? So there's our roadmap for our Fred Flintstone turnaround. Now before we go on to step 2, I want to give you the layout of our Fred turnaround using simple shapes, for those of you who want a screen grab. Just something to help you when laying out your drawing. Okay, so now we're on to step 2. In this step we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to be drawing as light as possible. As I mentioned at the beginning, I use guidelines to help me to position Fred's eyes, schnoz, mouth, and overall build, but we don't want those guidelines in the final drawing. So you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features in our Fred Flintstone turnaround. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of our Fred Flintstone turnaround. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of our Fred Flintstone turnaround. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but you don't want to press too hard, and you don't want to mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. You want to always be drawing with an eye on tweaking and improving all the way until the very end. All right, so let's draw in the details for our Fred Flintstone turnaround. And that's how you do it. There you have it, our turnaround of one of Hanna Barbera's all-time great characters, Fred Flintstone. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Fred before, let alone a turnaround of him, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring Fred during this video because I want my lessons to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing a turnaround of Fred Flintstone. And with that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your turnaround drawing of Fred. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.